Hi everyone, welcome to the world of GK for learning general knowledge. Today I would like to discuss another important topic from the Indian Constitution, that is parts of Indian Constitution. Let's see the parts one by one. If you are new to this topic, watch the video twice or thrice. Let's start. Parts of Indian Constitution. Parts, subject matter and articles. First part, the Union and its territory. So the subject comes under part 1, Union and its territory, and the related articles are 1 to 4. Part 2, citizenship, the related articles are 5 to 11. Part 3, fundamental rights, articles 12 to 35. Here you can see the Roman letters and here you can see the numbers. So while we are writing the parts, we are using Roman letters. For understanding purpose, I am writing numbers here. Part 4, Directive Principles of State Policy, and the articles are 36 to 51. Part 4A, Fundamental Duties, and articles 51A. So all the parts and articles, if it has a suffix of A, it denotes the amended article or amended part. So 4A is an amended article, amended part, and 51A is amended article. And 4A contains the subject fundamental duties. Article 51A. Part 5, the Union. Union means the central government, and the articles are 52 to 151. Part 6, the states. Part 6 includes the states, and the articles are 152 to 237. Part 7 is deleted because Part 7 was dealing with the Part B states and was deleted by the 7th Amendment Act of 1956. So I have not mentioned here. Then next is Part 8, the Union Territories. Union Territories, and articles are 239 to 242. So Part 8 includes the subject Union Territories and the articles 239 to 242. Part 9, the Panchayats, and the articles are 243 to 243 O. Here this is O, and 9A, Part 9A, this is also an amended part. It includes the municipalities 243 P2, 243 ZG, and 9B. This is also an amended part, and this 9B includes the cooperative societies, and it includes article 243 ZS2, 243 ZT. If any suffix came with the number, that is amended. Here A is here and B is here, and here we can see P, ZH, like that we can see all these are amended. And Part 10, it includes the scheduled and tribal areas. And the articles include are 244 to 244A. And Part 11, that is relation between union and the states. The relation between central government and the state government comes under the Part 11, and the related articles are 245 to 263. Part 12, finance, property, contracts and suits. All this comes under the Part 12, and articles 264 to 300A. In that, 300A is right to property. Here, this right to property also an amended article, because it was before it was a fundamental right, and again it's changed to a legal right. So this was amended. That's why it got the number 300A. And Part 13, trade, commerce and intercourse within the territory of India. Trade, commerce and intercourse within the territory of India comes under the Part 13, and articles 301 to 307. 301 to 307. Part 14, services under the union and states. Part 14 describes the services under the union and states. That means services under central government and state government. The related articles are 308 to 323. Part 14A, this is also an amended part. It includes tribunals, and the related articles are 323A to 323B. Next one is Part 15. It consists of elections, and the related articles are 324 to 329A. Next one is Part 16, special provisions related to SCs, STs, OBCs and Anglo-Indians. And the articles are 330 to 342. So, the Part 16 contains the subject, special provisions relating to scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, other backward classes and Anglo-Indians. And the related articles are 330 from 330 to 342. And Part 17, official language. And there are 42 official languages included in the Constitution, and the related articles are 343 to 351. So Part 17 contains official language. There are 22 official languages, and 342 to 351 are the articles. Part 18, emergency provisions. Part 18 describes about the emergencies, and we know there are 3 emergencies: national emergency, state emergency and financial emergency. And the related articles are 352 to 360. Part 19, miscellaneous. Miscellaneous means the other subjects. The other subjects not included in all this list. The articles are 361 to 367. So, part 9 includes the miscellaneous subjects and articles are 361 to 367. Part 20, Amendment of the Constitution. Part 20 includes the amendment of Constitution and the related article is 368. This article is very important. And part 21, temporary, transitional and special provisions. So, under part 21, the subject matters are temporary, transitional and special provisions. The articles are 369 to 392. Next one is part 22. It includes short title, commencement, authoritative text in Hindi and repeals. All these comes under part 22 and the related articles are 392 to 395. That's all about our subject today. But for your information, I will tell you something, that the parts deleted and parts added. Part 7 was deleted by the 7th Amendment Act of 1956. So, Part 7 was deleted by the 7th Amendment Act of 1956 and Part 4A and Part 14A were added by 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. And Part 9A was added by the 74th Amendment Act of 1992 and Part 9B was added by the 97th Amendment Act of 2011. So, total 25 parts are there. Before it was 22. Here I'll write. Before it was 22 and 7th part we have deleted, and again this 4A, 14A, 9A and 9B. These 4 parts we are added. So 21 minus 1, 22 minus 1, 21 and plus 4, 25. Like that. Now we have 25 parts. Hope you understood the video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Expect your support. Thank you.